Hello, Sam from Student here. Just wanted to give a quick 2-minute update on how to spot a good student house. So first one is the quality of the house. Always look at that. You can sort of tell it from videos and photos, but nothing beats going in there and having a look at it in person. So if you can go and view the property, go and do so. Make sure, obviously with the pandemic rules might be slightly different. However, if you can do that with the letting agent, absolutely perfect. So look at the quality of the kitchen, the bathrooms and the bedrooms, quality of the carpets, quality of the furnishings, the cupboards, the taps, general design. Is it just a plain wall, or have they put some effort into it? Have they put some art on the wall, and the plants around, bits like that. And look at the garden as well if it does have one. These are sort of the telltale and small signs that you need to look for to see if you've got a good house. Agents themselves, good agents and good high quality agents will without sounding harsh, there is a high demand for good quality housing, so they're not picky. They can be picky about students. So make sure that when you're going to view one, the agents conduct themselves, they have good processes, they know what they're doing, and that should be the sign of it. Some might be starting early in their career, which is absolutely fine. However, they should have it nailed down soon after. Deposits. Most agents should have this nailed, absolutely sorted. They know what you're doing, they know the process, it's simple, they get it done every year. And also when returning deposits, it should be smooth, it should be simple, unless there is dispute. Location is another one. When you think about where the house is based, most houses are based around the city centre and in the suburbs. However, I'm not saying that the worst houses are based on the fringe, but for you sort of want closer to town unless you want to be further out and having to travel in. So location does play a factor in happiness. And finally, the little added extras that come with the house. So once you look at location, it's in the right location. It's what else does it come with? Is it bills included? Does the landlord or agent drop off some presents at Christmas? Do they remember your birthday? Do they drop off Easter eggs at Easter? Do they help you moving in, moving out? And all these sort of student discounting type bits, they have that because that shows that they are really caring towards the student and they've got them at the forefront of their mind. So here's just a quick one. So just to recap, it's quality of the house, the letting agents, deposit processes, location of the house, and the added extras. If this was useful, head to the website. Also like and subscribe to this channel if you want to, and have a look at all the other videos.